Hi and welcome to Planears video tutorials. In this video we'll be discussing milestones in detail. Now I already have created a new milestone for this project. It's the same project on which we were working before, project 1. Now in the previous video we created a new user, a new resource to this particular project. Now in order to view the details for a milestone, click on this button. Click on details and you can see all the details for this milestone. Its name, milestones type, authorized hours, billable and non-billable hours, milestone cost, priority, actual date, proposed date, and milestone status. Now you can even use this edit button to edit any sort of information for your milestone. Today we'll be discussing about the board for a particular milestone. So we click on boards and then you have this milestone board where you can actually add pillars accordingly. It works like a Kanban system, so you can move those pillars around and the task as well. Alright, let me just go ahead and show you guys how to add a new pillar within your milestone. So we'll have 3 pillars, let's say to do. And once you click on this add pillar, you can see your pillar will be added here. So let's go ahead and add a new one named in progress. Click on this add button again to add a new pillar. And similarly, let's say done. So we have 3 pillars now. You can use this button to maximize your view for the board by clicking on this button. And on top of that, since this is the Kanban system, you can drag and drop or change the location for a particular pillar within your milestone. So by clicking on this button, you can drag here, and since in progress should be between to do and done, so we'd go ahead and change that again. And so okay, now it's in the correct manner, to do, in progress, and done. That's how you can drag and drop your pillars accordingly. To add a new task within your pillar, click on this button. You can even add a task, update pillar, move, copy or delete the pillar as well. We'll go ahead and click on this add task button to add a new task in our to-do pillar or to-do list. So let's go ahead and add a new task now. Alright, so I'm going to add multiple tasks. Let's say task 1. Then we have, let's add another one named task 2 and a third one named task 3. Task 3. Okay, so we have 3 tasks now. You can change the location, change the pillar from to do to in progress. Let's say right here. And then you have the task 3, you can move it from to do to done. So that's how you can actually drag and drop your particular task within your pillars. So we had 3 tasks before, all were in to-do list. Now one is in progress and the third one is done. Now to view the details for a particular task, click on this button, and once you do, it will be routing you to the new page where you have the task details. You can see that it's showing you the location or the hierarchy for a particular task. So it's in project 1, milestone 1, and in the to-do pillar right now, this task 1 right here. Also you have the all information set up. Let's say the date, priority, billable, non-billable hours, state and status. Now you can actually click on this button to update or edit the name, edit task, assign performer, reviewer, delivery date. So let's go ahead and right now assign a performer to this particular task. So we'll click on user 1 to be the performer for this task. Then we'll change the reviewer to Michael Miller. Now he's the creator for this task. He will be reviewing it, and the person who actually will be performing is the user 1. So this is how you can actually set up or change your particular resource to assign task within a milestone. From here you can even set a delivery date, let's say 21st. Then you have the priority, you can set up the priority to high, to let's say 10. Then you have log hours, task state. Let's go ahead and change the status to in progress. Now you have multiple options: if ignored, delayed, in progress, or completed. We'll go and proceed with in progress right now. Click on this update button, and that's how you can change the status. Now the status is active and the state is in progress. Similarly, you have log hours. You can log hours for, let's say, 2. Let's go for 2 hours for now. Add, and then you can see your available hours will be added right here. This is how you can actually change and view the details for a particular task within your milestone. And similarly, you have the description option where you can actually update a description. Then you have to-do attachments, extension history, billable and non-billable hours, any comments for the particular task, and the activity for the task as well. So let's go and quickly show you guys how do we do that. Click on task, and then you have attachments. Similarly, upload any sort of file. In this case, let's upload this prompt image. On top of that, when it's ready for do so, click on this button to upload the file. You have the extension history where you can see the comments and the extension date and the update. You have the billable hours that we just created. Then once we add the non-billable hours, you will be seeing the history of non-billable hours here. You can have any comments regarding your particular task. Click on save to save that comment. Then you can see the activity right here. The comment has been showing in the activity section. And all the tasks are performed. You can see all the tasks in this activity section as well. So this is the information for the task. You have all the details for a particular task here. In the next video, we'll be showing you more about projects, and we'll be talking about projects more. Thank you very much for watching the video.